Did what you need to do in the situation. Y'all ain't gonna believe what happened with that load. So I sat there for all those hours to end up getting a phone call to tell me that the load canceled. So now I came down here to the Busy Bee to get me some breakfast. But before that, this was a broker load. You know, I just took that load because it was going to be pretty easy, decent amount of money. I was getting what I wanted. But I have a lot of buddies at haul produce. All I did was make a phone call. Next thing you know, I got a produce load. So now, go get a breakfast and go pick up the produce. It's going to be fun. It's going to get dusty and dirty. But I got a lot of stuff coming. Yeah, I'm probably doing too much. I just had some cheese grits right there. Fire. Eggs, bacon, potatoes, some panio annie cakes. Should probably be all I eat for the day. And we're gonna get to trucking. Go pick up this produce. Yeah. The potatoes were good last time I had them. So during this time wasting, well, I found the load. The load don't load till late tonight. But I seen this W9 I see all the time. Finally get to see it up close. It's kind of cool truck to me. I like it a lot. I like seeing it on going down the road. All polished up. Burgundy rails. I think that's more like a brown, but see this thing all the time going up and down the road. It's clean. Painted reefer. Yeah, I see it all the time. It's a nice setup. One of the Central Floater Boy trucks. Ain't nothing like a truck that gets work, man. Yes, sir. Swinging doors. I feel you. My boy down here, it's his truck. W9. Nothing like having the studios in the house. Putting lights and stuff on the boat. Okay, they polished that boat. That looks really good. Just some snacks. That's where you give up all your money. Here's the hours. Little CB shop. Getting right for flight.